We've been working hard here at the Luxury Pergola, crafting something new, something cutting edge, something to revolutionize your outdoor space. Introducing Haven by the Luxury Pergola. An all-new elite motorized aluminum pergola without the elite price tag. We believe your backyard should be an oasis of worry-free relaxation, precious memories, and elegant style. The Haven Pergola was meticulously designed with these values at the forefront. For the ones who value comfort, timeless style, and American-made durability. From the grill master to the outdoor nap enthusiast and everything else in between, the Haven Pergola was designed for you. We've checked all the boxes that make for an exceptional backyard without breaking the bank. We produce our iconic pergolas right here in-house in America's heartland. With no dealers, markups, or gimmicks, you get an exceptional American-made pergola delivered right to you. Pre-order and get $2,000 off a Haven motorized pergola and free shipping for a limited time. Check out all the reasons why the Haven is superior at theluxurypergola.com.